Hey guys, it's Emily and Lewis, and we're here at the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya Adults Only Resort, here to do our honest review and walkthrough of the property.
Come with us.
This place has the modern hacienda vibe, wide open and filled with natural light coming from everywhere. Up here on the second floor, you've got this beautiful lobby space with a grand piano overlooking below, and your eyes go straight into the double staircase. It's a real wild moment when you first walk in. As you head down, everything just flows. All the main common areas are super easy to get to from this central space. Just past the concierge, and you'll find El Comedor, the main dining spot. Bright, open, and super clean, with live cooking stations and a great variety. It still keeps the upscale feel with an open layout that never feels crowded. And just steps away, you've got the social bar, the main hangout spot right in the heart of the lobby. A few steps over, you've got Coffee Republic, perfect for a quick espresso or something light to grab and go. Next up is Tempest, an elevated Asian spot with teppanyaki plus sushi and a la carte options. You've also got Lola Beach for casual beach bites, Olivia for Italian, and Pelicanos for Caribbean and Mexican flavors. And if you want to stay on track, they've got a full fitness center here with everything you need for a solid workout. Now let's head outside. Walking along the pathways, turning right, and making our way around the pool deck, you've got this more lively, action-filled pool here. It's a beach entry style, so you can just walk right in with a nice gradual slope. All around you'll see private cabana beds to relax in the sun, plus a really inviting swim-up bar. As you keep going, it transitions into a quieter, more tranquil pool area. There's another bar here with swings as seats, which gives it a nice touch. Right beside it, you've got another restaurant sitting directly on the beach, with open air seating and easy access to the sand. They also have cabana beds available for rent along the beach, and the beach itself is really wide. This is also a really popular spot for weddings. Being adults only, it's got a great mix of energy and romance. Now walking into Zen Spa, you can feel it right away. Everything just slows down. It's a calm, peaceful, and perfect place to reset. Let's check out a room. This is a junior suite ocean view king, up of 474 square feet with a king bed perfect for two. The space feels open and comfortable with a modern design, and you've got your own private balcony with those ocean views right in front of you. You've also got a stock mini bar, coffee setup, and a really nice spa-style bathroom. If you're ready for an adults-only getaway with great food, beautiful vibes, and total relaxation, this is the resort. Message me. Let's get it booked.